You're building your dream home. You don't know where to start. Here's a few tips to help you with the right selections for your home to make it into your dream home. When you're building your dream home, you want to make sure to pay attention to the builder you're selecting and the price point that you're going to get that home at. Builders will throw out their price per square foot. Well, what does that actually mean as far as the budgets for hardware, for plumbing? That's something to pay attention to, because when you go into a showroom to work with a consultant, one of the first questions they're going to ask is, what's the budget? This is an investment. This is something you have to pay attention to, because budgets from builders is basically the bottom line product they can put in that home. There's better quality builders than others, but basically when you're talking about budgets, it's what's the cheapest thing I can put in here and still hit that price point. So you want to pay attention to the budget so you can bring that good quality budget for this dream home to a showroom consultant. You also want to make sure your manufacturer has a story behind it. There's a lot of manufacturers in a showroom. The showroom consultants are very busy. So make sure that you're working with a consultant that's going to take the time and show you and tell you the story behind that manufacturer. Put something in your home that has a story that you can tell your friends. If not, why even go to a showroom to buy these products? Quality manufacturers are going to have a story behind them. They're going to use the best material as far as manufacturing. And bottom line, like I said, it's an investment. Why is it an investment? Because over a period of time, if you go cheap, you're going to have to replace. You're going to have to work on parts. That's a cost every single year that's going to be added up. It's going to add up over a period of time. Whereas if you spend the money up front and you get that dream home and it's exactly how you want it to look, then you're not going to have to worry about maintenance. You're not going to have to worry about parts until way down the road whenever you're ready to remodel again. This is going to help a showroom consultant out. It's going to give them direction as far as to tell you these good quality manufacturers that have a story behind them, and it's going to get you the dream home that you want.